Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a premium paddle designed for players seeking top-tier performance and versatility on the court. Proudly designed in the USA, it offers 3 distinct models tailored to match different playstyles: the T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Power, the 18K Ultra Weave Control, and the Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro. The T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Power Paddle is built for aggressive players who love to dominate with speed and strength. Featuring T700 Raw Carbon Fiber, this version maximizes power transfer with every swing, delivering explosive shots while maintaining precision. Its surface is grippy enough for excellent spin control, giving offensive players a serious edge. For those who prioritize accuracy and finesse, the 18K Ultra Weave Control Paddle is the ideal choice. With a fine 18K carbon fiber weave, this paddle enhances ball feel and responsiveness. It offers a soft, controlled touch perfect for dinks, drops, and resets, making it a top pick for strategic, placement-oriented players. The Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro stands out with its innovative Kevlar-infused design and thermoformed construction. This model combines durability, touch, and power in a unique package. The Kevlar fibers increase resilience and vibration dampening, while the thermoforming process ensures a solid, consistent feel across the face. It's a professional-level paddle that balances control and pop seamlessly. All 3 paddles are engineered with SLK's commitment to quality and innovation, providing comfortable grips, optimized weight distribution, and sleek aesthetics. Whether you're an aggressive baseliner, a soft game specialist, or a hybrid player, the SLK Halo lineup offers a high-performance paddle to elevate your game. Choose your weapon and experience the SLK Halo difference, where advanced materials meet cutting-edge design for every level of competitive pickleball. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. This pickleball paddle set is a complete, USAPA-approved package designed for both beginner and intermediate players looking to enjoy the game with reliable equipment. Featuring high-quality fiberglass surface paddles, this set provides a perfect balance of power, control, and durability. The lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures that both men and women can play comfortably for extended periods without strain. The fiberglass surface on each paddle is engineered to enhance responsiveness and shot accuracy. It delivers excellent pop for powerful volleys while maintaining enough control for precise placement. Paired with a polymer honeycomb core, the paddles offer outstanding shock absorption, reducing vibration on impact and providing a smooth playing experience. This combination makes the paddles ideal for a wide range of playing styles, from aggressive slams to soft dinks at the net. The ergonomic non-slip cushioned grip ensures optimal comfort and control, even during intense rallies or extended matches. Each paddle is designed with a well-balanced weight distribution, typically in the 7.5 to 8.5 ounce range, making them suitable for all players, regardless of skill level or hand size. In addition to the paddles, the set includes multiple pickleballs and a convenient carrying case, making it a perfect gift or travel companion. Whether you're practicing with a partner or competing in a local tournament, this set has everything you need to hit the court and start playing right away. The paddles are USAPA approved, meaning they meet official standards for competitive play. That makes this set not only great for recreational use but also tournament ready. Affordable, well-crafted, and thoughtfully packaged, this pickleball paddle set is a great investment for any enthusiast looking to step up their game with reliable, performance-driven gear. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a fantastic all-in-one set that includes 2 high-performance paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carry bag, making it perfect for players of all skill levels. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your gear for casual or recreational play, this bundle offers exceptional value and performance. At the heart of this bundle are the Selkirk Latitude paddles, engineered with a G4 graphite face and polymer rev core technology. The graphite face offers a smooth, consistent surface that delivers excellent touch and control, making it easier to place your shots accurately. Meanwhile, the polymer rev core provides a soft feel with reduced vibration, enhancing comfort and responsiveness during play. This combination allows for a well-balanced game, blending finesse with power. The paddles feature an ultra-cushioned grip designed to absorb shock and reduce fatigue, allowing for longer and more comfortable gameplay. With a mid-weight design, the paddles strike an ideal balance between maneuverability and strength, suiting a wide range of play styles from fast-paced net exchanges to baseline drives. Also included are 3 high-visibility pickleballs, built for durability in outdoor play, and a compact carrying bag to keep your equipment organized and easy to transport. This makes the Selkirk Latitude bundle not only a smart choice for home use, but also a great option for taking to the park or court with friends and family. Designed by Selkirk Sport, a trusted leader in pickleball innovation, this bundle reflects their commitment to quality, performance, and accessibility. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an ideal starter set or gift for players who want reliable, tournament-grade gear in a ready-to-play package. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier choice for players looking for a combination of power, control, and comfort. This paddle features a graphite face made from high-quality carbon fiber, providing excellent ball control while maintaining a lightweight feel. The graphite construction offers a solid hitting surface, ensuring quick reactions and precision, which is especially beneficial for players who prefer finesse shots and strategic placement. One of the standout features of the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is its innovative Z5 design. The paddle is engineered with a wide body shape that maximizes the sweet spot, allowing players to hit with more consistency. This design is perfect for both recreational players and competitive athletes who seek to improve their game. The paddle's core is constructed with a proprietary composite material that provides a good balance of power and touch. This makes the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 versatile across various playing styles, whether you're engaged in aggressive net play or focusing on precise dinks and drop shots. Comfort is key when it comes to long pickleball sessions, and the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a cushioned comfort grip, which helps reduce vibration and provides a more ergonomic feel. The grip's design is ideal for players who want a secure hold without experiencing hand fatigue during extended gameplay. At just the right weight, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 provides a great mix of control and maneuverability. Its lightweight construction ensures fast reactions while still delivering the power needed for aggressive shots. Overall, this paddle is an excellent choice for players looking for a versatile, comfortable, and high-performance option on the court. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos and Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are both excellent choices for players of all levels, especially beginners looking for a durable and comfortable racket. Both paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface that enhances ball control while providing a solid feel for each shot. This fiberglass construction offers a perfect balance of power and precision, making it easy to place shots accurately, whether you're working on dinks or more aggressive drives. Both paddles utilize a honeycomb polypropylene core, which is known for its ability to provide a great blend of durability and responsiveness. The honeycomb structure also ensures that the paddle remains lightweight without sacrificing performance. The core's design minimizes vibration, providing a smoother experience and making the paddles more forgiving on off-center hits. This feature is especially beneficial for beginners, as it helps with consistency and reduces mishits. Both paddles are USAPA approved, making them suitable for tournament play, which is ideal for those looking to advance their skills in a competitive environment. Whether you're playing casually or aiming to improve your game, these paddles can meet your needs. Comfort is a key focus in the design of both the Stratos and Essentials paddles. Each paddle comes with a comfortable grip, designed to reduce hand fatigue during extended play. The ergonomic handle provides a secure and cushioned hold, allowing players to maintain control without worrying about discomfort. Overall, both the Joola Stratos and Joola Essentials paddles offer excellent value, with durable construction, a beginner-friendly design, and USAPA approval. They provide a great introduction to the game of pickleball, while also offering the performance needed for improving your skills and enjoying competitive play.